Howdy ho there, this is Judd. We're about to head down to Old Homosassa to check out Luminary Art Night. I'm going down, see if I can get some pre-show stuff. Can't stand crowds. I'm hoping to get out of there before the crowds just kill the place. So we'll see what we get after this. So here we are, we've come down. We're right by the Yulee Sugar Mill over here and the beautiful state park or extension that is also part of that state park across from the Old Mill Tavern, which is a great place. And hidden behind the trees there is the Museum Cafe, and we'll go check that out first. They are participating in the Art Luminary Night, an annual event. I'm going to go over and see what we can find out in the pre-show, hopefully, because like I said, I don't want to be here where it's crowded. This is the Museum Cafe, which is a cafe and a museum of print. Okay, so far no signs of Luminary Night. Inside we've got a big cello in the corner. That's a bass. That's a bass, isn't it? Okay, and people. Hi, how you doing? Do you know about the Art Luminary Night? Yeah. You want to tell me what you guys are doing here for it?
This is a moment that we at our galleries open up and present what we do.
Okay, so what are you going to have here?
This is a printing museum.
Okay, and
back in the printing museum.
I went in there once. Fabulous place.
I'll be demonstrating some printing.
You're going to be demonstrating the printing.
Like tonight, you'll see everything. Real name is Bo. Okay.
Bo. That is Bo, ladies and gentlemen. He'll be here tonight demonstrating printing, which is a fascinating thing. Thank you, Bo.
Very fascinating.
Thank you. Bo was very busy setting up. He was making the burn things because it's Luminary Night, right? They're going to light fires in little jars or something, you know, to just decorate the place up. He said it doesn't get that mobbed here, and he intrigued me enough. He's a very interesting fellow, and he's going to be demonstrating printing. That ought to be fun. My father was a linotype operator at the New York Times when I was a wee little kid. I was in there in the actual place where they printed the New York Times and set up the type, and you had a typewriter where you type a letter and it kicks out a piece of type, and then you put them all together and you cast a plate, and then the plates are used on the machines to print the paper. But it's an amazing thing. Imagine hitting your keyboard and a lead type letter comes out. Anyway, okay, on to the next stop. Down Yulee Drive. Yulee Drive is where it's at, baby. While I'm here, I want to point out this. This is a little canal. You can see it starts right here. And this is the canal that runs down to the Homosassa River. And the next places we go, well, River Safaris is on this canal. It came here because it serviced the sugar mill. They loaded the sugar onto the barges or the whatever it was, the molasses or the finished sugar, and they'd ship it down the canal to the Homosassa River and then out from there. This is right behind the Old Mill Tavern, between that and the Yulee Sugar Mill. So a fascinating little area here on Yulee Drive in Homosassa, Old Homosassa. We are down on Yulee Drive at the main site for the annual Old Homosassa Gallery's Luminary Art Night from dusk till 9. I was told 5 till 9, but I guess that's dusk. And over here we've got River Safaris. They are participating. Across the street we've got Riverworks, a metal shop. Both of those places, metal, and his partner does driftwood stuff. And then over here we've got Pepper Creek Pottery, where we visited recently, and out back we've got the glass garage, and we're going to go see what we can get for pre-show type stuff. Okay, on this side of the street we've got Riverworks fish sculpture, and though that's not fish, that's people sculpture in front of their building. I think they've got both buildings here. Okay, here's the second building. See if we can get any pre-show stuff. Those colors are just incredible. So that was Riverworks, fascinating stuff there. We shall now cross the street and check in with Pepper Creek Pottery. As I said, we were here once before. Look, we got some setup stuff here. Somebody's ready. So tell me a little bit about you and your work and your showing and Luminary Art Night.
Been a Potter's for 47 years, something like that. I just retired from the school system, just have fun.
And what's going to happen tonight at Luminary Art Night?
There's going to be a lot of people here with all the lights out. It's going to be a lot of fun. The two ladies in here are two of my former students, and they have the gallery, and there's Skip over there, and myself, and the two ladies here that are in the have stuff displayed in there.
Okay, good.
And this one, my husband Fred.
And Fred.
And Fred.
Oh, do you do the sponge things?
I do.
I was blown away by the sponge things. I thought those
Or
were
they're
so
very
cute.
good for cell phones.
See, you can use them for cell phones too. Okay, well, good luck
And there
tonight.
is Skip.
Hey, Skip.
How are you doing?
Good. How you be?
Pretty good.
Okay, this is Skip with his crazy faces. I did a seminar with Skip a couple of weeks ago, a couple months ago now, huh?
Yeah.
Pre-Christmas. Oh, look at that. Wow. What are you doing tonight?
I'm going to do some raccoon firing.
What is that?
It's a different kind of firing. It fires real fast, and then you take it out of the kiln and plunge it into a barrel full of newspaper. And it reignites, and it changes the glaze.
Ah. You got any examples of it here?
No, they have plenty inside right now. I have none. Nope.
Okay.
We'll have
Ooh.
them later.
Nice shapes on these. I like that. Oh, and look at the little ones. Oh my God. Oh, fantastic. Oh my God. But I did the best coffee mug ever, right?
Oh, the best.
That was the best one.
The best.
Okay, good, good. Oh, and there's the pig. I love the pig. The piggy bank. Love the piggy bank. So Skip's going to be showing tonight at Luminary Night. Get down here when the candles are lit. Good talking to you, Skip.
Good talking to you.
So into Pepper Creek Pottery. Hi, Angie. What's tonight?
What's tonight? It's Luminary Art Night.
There you go. Okay, I've been posting all over
19th
Facebook.
annual.
19th annual.
Yes.
Okay, this is inside the shop, which doesn't change for Luminary Night. It's all good stuff. Oh, oh, there it is. You moved it. Okay. This was my piece. I love that piece, but it had been up there.
I almost forgot it. I'm like, I can't forget it. I might need it later.
My turtle's gone, or she moved it. This is Skip's stuff up here.
Okay, I'm good.
Okay, Angie, I know Skip's going to be doing the demo of some glazing technique. What else you got going on here tonight?
He's going to be doing raku firing demos. Martha Ann's going to do a horsehair pottery demo. This is horsehair. It's very beautiful technique where she applies the mane or the tail of the horse, and it carbonizes and permanently gives you those beautiful designs.
Really?
This will be after dark. I'm going to be sculpting an octopus. This is the piece, and there'll be an octopus on that end there. I usually have one made for the show, but this time they'll have to settle for the demonstration.
I know that's what I like. I like seeing the demos.
And then Lee and Fred out there, the Partons, they have a nice array of pottery. Come see my jellyfish.
Oh,
This
okay.
is the night of the jellyfish.
Oh, it is.
I bring it out for the luminary. It'll be lit up tonight. It's full glory.
So there is reason to be here after dark.
See, we've already got the luminary started.
All right. Now we are over at the glass garage. This is the one set back from the road a little bit. Looks like a two-room thing. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Okay, that's not glass, that's wood. Oh my God, look at those. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, excellent, excellent, excellent. So, hi.
Hey there!
What's tonight?
Tonight is Luminary Art Night in Old Homosassa.
All right, and who are you?
I'm Alicia Lowe. I'm the potter here in the glass garage. This is Louise Whitney. She's the glass artist. She does fused glass and stained glass. And Lori's in the other side over there, and she does the fused glass.
All right.
Lori's father does the painting on the wood and the wood tables.
Okay, I like that. I'm a wood guy. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
you're gonna love it when you get in the other room too.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you got happening tonight? What's going on special here? You can hang out. Come on, hang out here.
I'm going home to make the strawberry wine punch because it's our Luminary Art Night, so I have almost the most important
We're going to
job.
have strawberry wine punch?
Absolutely.
She has the most important job of the day.
Okay, I might hang out. I might hang out now. Okay, strawberry. This is like our strawberry festival, right? Right here.
Our own personal
you have your own little
festival,
personal.
yeah.
Okay,
Down here in
good.
Old Homosassa, we do things a little different. Think of it as a big open house, especially when the sun goes down and you get to see the luminaries and everything's just nice and bright and blingy, and all the artists are here so that you can talk to them about their work. That's really what it was meant to be. It's just a way to introduce people to the art shops here in Old Homosassa.
Good luck tonight, and
Well,
thank you very
thanks.
much.
It's always fun. This is Lori.
And you do the fused glass?
Yes.
Want to show me? Okay, here we are next door. Oh, look at this. This is like an entirely different environment. Wow. Okay.
So this is
Oh, color,
We've got
color.
conditioning.
You're into primary colors.
Yeah, and aquatic colors as well.
Okay.
And the fused glass is just an offshoot of stained glass. We create the designs and then put it in the kiln.
Okay.
My dad does the oil paintings on wood.
I love them. What's your pitch for tonight? What do you got going on? Aside from the strawberry wine, I heard about that.
Yes, that's what, cheese and crackers. What nice
Cheese and
thing.
crackers, okay.
But we just are here, people attend this every year. This is like the 30th year it's happened, I don't know, maybe
19.
19.
So these mirrors here, that's fused glass. You line up the glass and then put it in the kiln and it melts together? Is that?
We purchased large sheets of fusible glass.
Ah, it's a special type of glass. Okay.
And then we cut the glass, break it, and create the design. And then you put it in a kiln and fuse it.
That melts it together, sort of?
Yes,
Okay.
melts it together.
Okay.
And depends on what effect you're looking for. If you want a smooth finish, you fire it at a higher temperature and let it soak longer. And you get it, or if you want a more textural, like something like this.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty.
It just depends on how long you leave it in the kiln and what temperature.
Okay.
And then it takes like 12 to 14 hours to cool.
Ooh.
And if you put it, you want to slump it into a bowl, you have to do a second firing and slump it into a ceramic mold to create that curve.
All these little guys here.
Yeah, they've all
Okay.
been fired twice. You can play with the temperature and get different looks. And then Louise does all the, she's already left, she does the traditional stained glass, which we have so few panels right now. It's not a real good example, we've sold several panels recently.
That looks like she threw a couple of actual plates in there.
There are. They're the
Cool.
old depression, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a sugar lid.
Oh yeah, oh my God, look at that, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, that would make such a window. Oh my God, oh my God.
And a lot of people connect with that because everybody's grandma had an old plate that they remember, you know?
When I was a kid, my aunt had that serving, that set with the engraved, the cut glass.
Yes, it's like
the
a
cut
cut
glass.
yeah.
Beautiful stuff.
That's all we have to represent right now, but she does it in all colors and different patterns and that kind of thing. So
I'm
it's
sure.
really cool.
Okay, well thank you very much and
Welcome.
good luck tonight.
Thank you, we appreciate it.
All right. Very colorful stuff. My dad does the paintings on the wood, very nice. Oh, look at that, that's cool. Nice rhino. Wow, good giraffe. Lizard, an owl. Susan's laying out the luminaries. Susan, what are you doing?
Put these luminary bags out. Gotta light it up, baby.
Time to light it up.
Time to light it up.
All right.
I'll do paper bags and the little tea lights.
Cool.
Nice fire going out here tonight.
Okay, lots of little dirt in them. Hold them down.
We'll have tiki torches out by the alligator. We're going to be having complimentary sangrias, showing off some of our wares in the shop. We have our alligators out tonight under the tiki torches.
Tiki, tiki.
Tiki tiki. And then the restaurant, they're going to have samples of their sandwiches and some hors d'oeuvres. So everybody just come on down and see what we're all about.
All right. And you're going to light all these bags on fire.
Light them all up.
All right,
Light
good.
them tonight.
Okay. Well, good luck tonight.
Thank you.
Okay, so there's a little preview of Luminary Night down here, the 19th annual Luminary Night. Really sounds intriguing and like it's going to be a great event to witness when it's actually happening, with all the little lights lit up and everything, and the events happening, and the demonstrations, and the strawberry wine, and all sorts of things. So hopefully we'll get back to here later tonight. Happy day to you.